and marketing are two crucial aspects of any business, and many times we do not understand the key difference between them. This confusion leads to incorrect expectations and error in judgment when it comes to the end result expectations. Hi, my name is Rashie Sinha. I'm a business strategy coach and trainer. I help teams and businesses in successful implementation of strategy leading to achieving your business revenue goals and sustaining growth. Welcome to another episode of Midweek Business Moment. In this episode, I'll talk about the key differences between branding and marketing, which will help you plan your go-to market strategy effectively. Branding is the process of creating a unique name, design, symbol, a mascot, or image that identifies and differentiates a product or service from similar offerings in the market. Branding is all about creating a distinctive and memorable identity for a business that connects with the target audience emotionally. It helps to build trust and loyalty among customers and create a positive perception of the business in their minds. Branding is a long-term strategy that focuses on building a relationship with customers based on values, emotions, and experiences. Marketing, on the other hand, is the process of promoting and selling products or services to the customers. It involves identifying the target audience, understanding their needs and preferences, and creating campaign to reach and persuade them to make a purchase. Marketing is a short-term strategy that aims to generate leads, increase sales, and drive revenue to the business. The confusion between branding and marketing happens as they are closely related. A strong brand can have a significant impact on the marketing efforts. A strong brand can help to differentiate a business from competitors, make it more memorable, and build trust with the customers. It can also create a positive image of the business in the minds of the customer, which can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Talking about marketing, it can help to promote the brand, create awareness among the target audience, and drive sales. It is the marketing campaigns that create a buzz about the brand, introduce it to new customers, and convince them to make a purchase. Marketing efforts can include advertising, social media, email marketing, content marketing, and other tactics that can help to reach and engage with the target audience. Let's understand this with an example. The name Tata is established as a brand, and anything associated with the Tata name heightens the emotion of trust and quality. A brand we can rely on. When it comes to specific marketing campaign of Tata products, we not only think of the value add the product offers, we attach the brand emotion with it too. Let's take an example of a product. The first thing that comes to my mind is Tata Salt. Now that is the preferred brand over others in my household. In fact, when the grocery list for the month is made and we have to buy a salt, the grocery list doesn't say just salt, it specifically says Tata Salt. In fact, my earliest memory of the advertising campaign of Tata Salt is about Desh Ka Namak or about the ionized Tata Salt campaign. Thinking of another product campaign of the same brand, I can think about Tanishq jewelry. Now the campaign talks about style and elegance and communicates it as a Tata product. Hence, the trust factor not explicitly stated in their campaign still gets established. Another brand that comes to my mind is Amul. Now, we all at some point in our life would have seen the Amul campaign, which is, in line with the current affairs or the hot topic. They always come out with a campaign associated with that. Now, what we did was we did a small survey on various Amul products and what does that brand mean to people, or what is their recall value when it comes to the Amul brand. The result of the survey was quite interesting. A lot of people said that though Amul is in multiple dairy products, they might think about, having an optional product when it comes to, say, the milk or the flavored milk or even the cheese. But when it comes to the butter, it is nothing but Amul butter which is preferred over any other product. Now, if you look at these campaigns of Amul, you would see, though they are making a comment on the current affair topic, what they are also doing or marketing here is one of their product, which is butter. Now that gets retained in the memory of people, and people tend to associate that product with the brand and prefer to use that more than anything else. But then the next question that comes is, what should be prioritized? When it comes to prioritizing branding versus marketing, it is important to understand that both are critical for the success of a business. Businesses need to balance their branding and marketing efforts to ensure that they are building a strong brand while also generating leads and revenue. One common mistake that businesses make is focusing too much on marketing and neglecting branding. While this leads to short-term success by creating a prospect funnel, but to sustain the business for the long haul, one needs to look at branding to create that long-term value. Another mistake that businesses make is neglecting marketing and relying solely on branding. While a strong brand is essential, it is not enough to generate sales and revenue. Businesses need to invest in marketing effort to promote the brand, reach the target audience, and drive sales. Always remember, a strong brand can create awareness and interest among customers, but it is marketing that will convert that interest into actual sales. The examples I shared earlier demonstrate this very well. It is important to understand that branding and marketing are two critical aspects of any business. Businesses need to balance their branding and marketing efforts to ensure that they are building a strong brand while also generating leads and revenue. In conclusion, I would say, by understanding the differences between branding and marketing and balancing both, businesses can create a strong foundation for long-term success. That's all I have for you today. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive a notification whenever I post new content. Also, I would love to know your opinion on this topic, so leave a comment and I would look forward to it. Thanks for your time.